Hello everyone, welcome to this exciting video where we are going to talk about the top 5 Zoom automations for your business that you can create using Pabbly Connect. So whether you are hosting webinars, client meetings or online events, building these automations will save you time, reduce manual efforts and help you stay organized. So from sending automated WhatsApp reminders before the Zoom meetings to sharing recordings on WhatsApp, you can automate the entire process by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn more about these automations step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you all know that in this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 amazing automations of Zoom that I have built using Pabbly Connect. So before we get into the automations, let's talk about the Zoom. So here on my screen, you can see my Zoom account, and Zoom is one of the most popular platforms for video conferencing, webinars and online collaboration. Whether you are hosting a business meeting, an online class or a large-scale event, Zoom makes it easy to connect with people anywhere in the world. However, managing tasks like sharing recordings, sending reminders or updating CRM systems can be time-consuming, and that's where automations come in. Using tools like Pabbly Connect, you can integrate Zoom with other apps and make your workflows completely hassle-free. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen, you can see the Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build my automations, I have used Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build new workflows, you have to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner, and then a dialog box will appear in front of you where you have to give a name to your workflow, and then you have to select the particular folder in which you want to save your workflow. So here in the left side corner, you can see a folder section over here where you can see all the folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. And if you want to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, then you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. And then here, after selecting a specific folder, you have to click on this create button, and then automatically your workflow window will be created where you can connect your applications to build a new workflow. So here I've already built some amazing automations for my Zoom account, and here in my home folder you can see all the top 5 amazing Zoom automations that I've created using Pabbly Connect. So now here in this video, I'm going to explain the working and the building of these top 5 amazing automations that you can create for your Zoom account. So now let's hop into the first automation that I have created. So this is the first amazing automation with which I have built to send automated WhatsApp reminders for my Zoom meetings. So here I've built this amazing automation to send the automated WhatsApp reminders to my registrants for the Zoom meetings 1 day and 1 hour before the meeting begins. So basically, missed meetings can disrupt schedules, and this automation ensures that participants receive timely WhatsApp reminders, that is 1 day and 1 hour before the Zoom meeting. It boosts the attendance rates and keep everyone prepared for the session. So here I've built this automation by connecting my Zoom account in this trigger step over here, and here I've used my trigger event as configure webhook. So by using this particular trigger event, I have configured a webhook inside my Zoom account for the new registrant received. So here you can see the response that I've received while setting up the automation, where I've received the name of my meeting or the webinar. You can see that is Mastering Digital Marketing Insights and Strategies for Success. Here you can see the date and time that we have received, which is the starting time of our webinar, and here you can see the registrant status as approved, and here you can see the registrant detail, that is last name, first name, email address. Here you can see the city as Indore, scrolling little down, and some other details as well. And here you can see the event as meeting registration created. Connect. So I have set up this automation for this particular trigger event. And now here, if you want to learn how to configure webhook inside your Zoom, then you can check out the video on our YouTube channel for the same. So here I've connected my Zoom with Pabbly Connect in this trigger step, and then I've used a feature by Pabbly, that is date time formatter by Pabbly, to format the date with the time zone. So here I've mapped the starting date of my webinar, which I have received in the UTC format, and here for the from format I've selected a UTC format because the starting date and time that I have received is in the UTC format. So here I've selected my from format as the UTC format, and then here for the to format I've selected a simple date time format so that I can get the date and the time in Asia Kolkata time zone. So here you can see the response that we have received, and here you can see the date and the time that we have received in a simple basic format over here. And now here, after formatting the date, I have again used the date time formatter by Pabbly to add or subtract the time as per the reminder I want to send. So firstly, here I wanted to send the 1 day before reminder to all my registrants on their WhatsApp. So for that, what I have done is, here I have used the action event, that is add or subtract time, and here I have entered the basic date that I have received from my previous action step over here, and here in the expression I have minus the 1 day. So by using this particular expression, I have reduced a 1 day time from the actual date and time of my webinar, and again here I have selected a to format and the from format, and here you can see the response received where we have received the date and the time exactly 1 day before the event. So this is the date and time that we have received, and then we have used another feature by Pabbly, that is delay by Pabbly, and here we have added a delay to our workflow. So here we have added the delay until the 1 day before the date of our webinar. So this is the delay date that we have mapped, which we have received from our previous action step, and here you can see the status as success and the messages delayed until this particular date and time. So here in this step, we have successfully delayed our workflow till the 1 day before the webinar, and after delaying our workflow, we have connected our WhatsApp by SNC account with Pabbly Connect in this action step over here, and here you can see the campaign name that I've launched in my SNC account for using the template that I've created to send this WhatsApp reminder. So here you can see the campaign name, here you can see the phone number to whom I want to send the WhatsApp message, here you can see the username, scrolling little down, and here you can see the template parameter that I've entered to send the personalized WhatsApp message to all my registrants. So here I've used two variables in my template. First is for the name and second is for the webinar or workshop name. So here I've mapped the details over here, and then I have sent a WhatsApp message. And now here, after sending the 1 day before reminder, I've again used date time formatter by Pabbly, and I have subtracted the time for the 1 hour before the webinar. So here you can see I have changed the expression over here, that is minus 1 hour, and again I've selected a to format and the from format, and here we have received exactly 1 hour before date and time of our webinar. And now here, after receiving the subtracted time, I have used delay by Pabbly again to delay the workflow until that particular time, that is 1 hour before the webinar. And now here, after delaying the workflow, I have again connected my WhatsApp by SNC account with Pabbly Connect, and I have sent another reminder of 1 hour before using a template message in my SNC account. So again I have used some parameters over here, and this time here in this template parameter, I have also sent my Zoom meeting link on my registrant's WhatsApp number, and with this I have successfully built this entire automation of sending an automated WhatsApp reminders for the Zoom meetings, that is 1 day and 1 hour before the meeting begins. So this is the first automation that I have created for sending automated WhatsApp reminders for my Zoom meetings. And now let's move to the another automation that I have created for adding my Zoom meeting registrant as a subscriber in my Kit account. So turning meeting registrants into email subscribers is a great way to stay connected with your audience. So with this automation, whenever someone registers for my Zoom meeting, their details are added as a subscriber in my Kit account. It's perfect for nurturing leads or growing your email list effortlessly. So here you can see again I've connected my Zoom account with Pabbly Connect in this trigger step over here, and I have used my trigger event as configure webhook, and I have set up a webhook inside my Zoom account to get the details of the registrants that I've received in my Zoom meetings. So here, whenever I'm going to receive a new registrant for my Zoom webinar, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, and after capturing a new response, automatically that registrant is going to add as a subscriber in my Kit account so that I can further communicate with the registrant through emails by adding that registrant in my email campaign under my Kit account. So this is the second automation that I've created. Now let's move to the third automation that I've built. So this is the third automation that I have created, which says how to add Zoom meeting registrant on Zoho form submission. So here in this particular automation, I have received new registrations through a Zoho form that I have created to get the new registrations for my Zoom webinar. And here managing webinar or meeting registrations can be tricky. So this automation seamlessly adds anyone who submits a Zoho form as a registrant to your Zoom meeting. It saves you from manually transferring details and giving registrants immediate access to the session. So here in this trigger step, I've connected my Zoho forms with Pabbly Connect, and whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through my Zoho forms, then automatically I'm going to receive the details of the person who has submitted the form, such as the phone number, last name, first name, and email address. And here, after receiving a new form submission through Zoho Forms, I want to add the person who has submitted the form as a new registrant under my Zoom meeting. So here you can see all the details that I have mapped over here, and here you can see the response that I have received. That means I have successfully added the person who has submitted the form as a new registrant under my particular Zoom meeting that I have selected in this meeting field over here. So this was the third amazing automation that I have built for my Zoom webinar. Now let's move back to the dashboard, and now we are going to talk about the fourth amazing automation that we have created for our Zoom, which says how to share Zoom meeting details on Slack automatically. So here I've built this automation to share my Zoom meeting details on a Slack channel automatically. So coordinating with team members about upcoming Zoom meetings can be a hustle. So this automation posts the meeting details directly to a specific Slack channel as soon as they are scheduled. It keeps everyone on the same page and ensures no one misses important meetings. So here again I've connected my Zoom with Pabbly Connect in this trigger step with the trigger event as configure webhook, and then I've used a feature by Pabbly, that is date time formatter by Pabbly, in this action step over here, and here I formatted the date with the time zone. So again here we have received the date in a UTC format, and by using this particular feature by Pabbly, I have connected the date received in the format of Asia and Kolkata so that I can receive the basic date and time, which is easily understandable. And now here, after formatting the date and the time, I have connected my Slack with Pabbly Connect in this action step, where I'm sending a Slack alert notification for the new meeting on my specific Slack channel, which is named as Pabbly Integration Team. And here you can see the message which says, "Hello team, a new meeting scheduled into Zoom. Meeting details are as follows." Here you can see the date and time. So here I've mapped the new date and time that I've received in my previous action step, and here you can see the meeting name and the meeting URL to be joined. Please be on time. Thanks. So this is the particular message, and here after entering the message, I've sent the alert message for which I've received a successful response over here. That means now whenever I'm going to schedule a new meeting in my Zoom account, then automatically my team is going to get the alert message on our Slack channel as soon as the meeting is scheduled. So this was the fourth amazing automation that I've built for my Zoom account using Pabbly Connect. Now let's talk about the last and the most amazing automation that I've built using Pabbly Connect for my Zoom account. So it says how to share Zoom recording on WhatsApp using AI Sensei. So particularly I have built this automation to share the Zoom meeting recordings with all my registrants on their WhatsApp account using WhatsApp by AI Sensei. So after a Zoom meeting ends, manually sharing the recording with participants can be time consuming. So with this automation, the recording link is automatically shared via WhatsApp using AI Sensei. This is especially useful for keeping attendees informed and ensuring that they can access the session without delays. So again here I've connected my Zoom account with Pabbly Connect in this particular trigger step, where I'm receiving a successful response for the recording which is completed after the completion of the workshop over here. And after receiving the response over here, I have connected my Zoom account with Pabbly Connect again in this action step, where I've used my action event as list meeting registrants. And here after using this action event, I have mapped the meeting ID of which I want to get all the registrant details, and then here in the response I have got the registrants details who have attended the meeting over here. And now here after getting all the registrant details, I have used a feature by Pabbly, that is iterator by Pabbly, to process the arrays. So here I've used iterator by Pabbly because in my previous step I have got the registrants details in an array format, and here by using this particular feature by Pabbly, I can separate the each registrant details. So here I've chosen the array that I have received in my previous action step, and by using this particular feature we have received a separate details of each registrant over here, and we are going to receive it one by one, and it is going to change the values whenever the workflow is going to run. So now here, after using the iterator by Pabbly, I have used another feature by Pabbly, that is text formatter by Pabbly, for the basic formatting of my text as an action event over here. And here you can see the string that I have used. So here I have used the phone number string because here I wanted to extract the phone number in order to send the WhatsApp message to the registrant. So here I have used the transform as extract phone number, and here you can see the response that I have received. That is, we have successfully received the extracted phone number over here. So by using this particular feature, we have extracted the phone numbers so that we can send the meeting recording to our registrant on their WhatsApp number. And after using this particular feature, I have connected my WhatsApp by SNC account with Pabbly Connect in this action step in order to send the meeting recording to all the registrants. So here you can see the campaign name that I have used. Here you can see the phone number. Here you can see the username and the template parameter where I have surpassed the meeting recording URL for the particular meeting that we have just ended. So here we have successfully set up this amazing automation to send these Zoom meeting recordings on our registrant's WhatsApp account using WhatsApp by AI Sensi. So these were the top 5 amazing automations that we have built using Pabbly Connect for our Zoom account. So now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have learned about the top 5 amazing automation, which were: first, how to send automated WhatsApp reminders for Zoom meetings 1 day and 1 hour in advance. Second was how to create Get Subscriber from Zoom Meeting Registrant. Third was how to add Zoom Meeting Registrant on Zoho Form Submission. Fourth was how to share Zoom meeting details on Slack automatically. And lastly, and the most amazing, was how to share Zoom recording on WhatsApp using AI Sensi. So that's it for today's video on the top 5 Zoom automations using Pabbly Connect. These workflows can revolutionize the way you manage your meetings, freeing you up to focus on what really matters. If you found these automations helpful, then definitely you are going to get the workflow links of all these automations in the description box below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on the future tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments which automation you are most excited to try out, or if you have any other integrations ideas. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.